The if function is a logical function in Excel that allows you to do a test, and if the test is true, then you get one result, and if the test is false, you get another one. You start this function by doing equals if, open parentheses. I can do if this is greater than 50, the value of true. No, in this situation, yes, with the if function, you can do a number, or you can do a word, but if you're doing word, you have to use quotation marks. Or you can reference a cell, which sometimes can be a little bit better, because you can just change the cell instead of having to change everything. So instead of doing 50, I'm going to do the cell with the value 50. And use dollar signs before the F and the 3 to lock it in place, because the dollar sign before the 3 helps lock us in the row, and the dollar sign before the F helps lock us in the column. So by doing that, I'm locking in the specific cell. The value is true. I'm going to do this cell that I'm in right now, minus, lock it in place again. And if the value is false, I'm just going to do 0. So you can see, because it's less than 50, it gave me 0. As I drag it down, you can see 66 minus 50, 16. That's how that works. And I can change this, so I can change this to be like 40. So more cells show up. Negative 55. That was increased drastically. Back to 50. So I can also do this the other way around. I can do if this cell is less than this, you can do 50 minus this cell, comma 0. You can see you got 49 and 0 where 5 is above, and 0 where the cell to the left is above 50. You can also use this to return a word or a complete blank. So for example, we can see I have the cell to the left minus 50. I can just do the word good. Now here you can see wherever it's less than 50, I just has the word good. And you can use conditional formatting to make it to where the color of the cell changes after you get a result like this. And if the value is false, you can have 0 if you just want 0, or you can use the quotation marks twice, and it just returns a blank cell. So you can see that instead of having 0, you get a blank cell, which can be valuable because you don't have to look at as much stuff. If you have a bunch of data that you're trying to use the if function with. And you can even do nested if functions, which allows you to compare multiple things at the same time. But again, that's something I'm definitely be talking about in a later video. So I hope that this introduction to the if function helped out today. Please like, subscribe, comment, let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Have a fantastic day.